Hello, Kendall and Cameron and Jackson, Vance and Tiffany, Justin. So right now I'm in Budapest. Hopefully you can hear me because this bridge is louder than I thought it was going to be when I hit the record button. But having fun, and it's a really cool city. I love it. Check that out. That's a communist lady. What else? What can I show you? Well, look at Budapest on Google Maps or something like that. Hope you guys are having fun. A really fun summer. Playing soccer with your soccer ball. Ooh, did you hear that? That guy just rang his bell at me. There's a lot of people who ride bikes here. And a lot of people who like do fitness and jogging, and so this is just one of the bridges. In the background over behind me, you should probably see like 3 more bridges. They might not be that clear. And even that way, there's like 5 more bridges. They go over this river called the Danube. I think there's 13 countries that the Danube goes through. So now you know something cool. Longest river in Europe. Okay, I miss you, love you.